So after air brake done, now the lights are already on, left signal on, go for outside inspection. All marking lights working, windshield clean, no crack from outside, wiper blade good condition, I check every morning. My hood tight and secure, lock properly. My bumper tight and secure, my grill tight and secure, number plate tight and secure and valid. ठीक है. My both low beam lights working properly, my left signal working, my right marker light working. ठीक है. This side tractor body no damage and window glasses no crack. Mirror tight and secure, door open and close working properly, footstep tight and secure, my battery tight and secure, all terminals are tight, no corrosion on the terminals, left signal working properly. So back side tractor body no crack no bend, my fuel tank tight and secure, straps tight and secure, fuel cap tight and secure, seal good condition, check every time when fuel up. My deck tight and secure, footstep tight and secure, hoses connect properly, no touch the deck, mud guard no touch tire, no touch ground, trailer front body no damage, marker light working properly, my trailer side body no crack no bend, DOT tape good condition all the way back, my hanger tight and secure, all bolts present, fifth wheel lock position, kingpin lock position, chassis frame no crack no bend, all bolts present, no rocks between tires, all 4 tires fully inflated, all 4 tires tread more than 1.6 millimeter, my both outside tire no cut no bubble, my both outside rim no crack no bend, my both hub seals no crack no bend, all lug nuts tight and secure, all lug nuts tight and secure. My jaw in lock position, frame no crack no bend, mud guard no touch tire no touch ground, left signal working, right marker light working, number plate valid, plate light working, my landing gear frame no crack no bend, my both footsteps no mud no rock on the footstep, no crack no bend. Now come outside, so landing gear down and up working properly, handle secure, hanger no crack no bend, all bolt present. ये रह गया दिया भाई. Left signal working properly, my hanger tight and secure no crack no bend, my hanger tight and secure, no crack, no bend. Sliding assembly. My sliding assembly, no crack, no bend. All both pins are lock position. No rocks between all 4 tires. All 4 tires fully inflated. All 4 tire threads more than 1.6 millimeter. Both outside tire, no cut, no bubble. Both outside rim, no crack, no bend. Both hub seals, no leak. Oil level good. All lug nuts tight and secure. All lug nuts tight and secure. Mud guard, no touch tire, no touch ground. Marker light working. Trailer back body, no crack, no bend. Marker lights working. Door open properly. Load secure all the way back. Door close properly. Left signal working. All marking lights working. DOT tape good condition. Bumper tight and secure. Number plate valid. Plate light working. Now please check brake lights. I go inside. Off signal first. Press the brake 5 seconds. When come out, other brake. Aajo idhar aajo. Off signal first. Now other signal on, high beams on. Okay. So brake lights are working. Now right signal working properly. All marking light working. Marking light working. Passenger side trailer body, no crack, no bend. DOT tape good condition all the way. Mudguard, no touch tire, no touch ground. Hanger, no crack, no bend, secure. Hanger, no crack, no bend, secure. Sliding assembly passenger side, no crack, no bend, both pins lock position. No rock between 4 tires. 4 tires fully inflated. 4 tire threads more than 1.6 millimeter. My both outside tire, no cut, no bubble. Both outside rim, no crack, no bend. Both my hub seals, oil level good, no oil leak. Lug nuts tight and secure. Lug nuts tight and secure. My trailer passenger side right signal working properly. Mudguard, no touch tire, no touch ground. My tractor right signal working properly. All cross member all the way back good condition, no missing any cross member. Mudguard, no touch tire and ground. Fifth wheel passenger side lock position. Chassis frame passenger side, no crack, no bend. All bolts present. Hanger, no crack, no bend. All bolts present. Hanger, no crack, no bend. All bolts present. No rock between 4 tire. Tires, all 4 tire fully inflated. All 4 tire thread more than 1.6 millimeter. Both outside tire, no cut, no bubble. Both outside rim, no crack, no bend. Both hub seal, no leak. All lug nuts tight and secure. All lug nuts tight and secure. Trailer inspection. valid. Foot tight and secure. Mudguard no touch tire and ground. Deck tight and secure. Muffler tight and secure. No holes on the exhaust pipe. Fuel tank well mounted. Strap tight and secure. Cap tight and secure. Check seal when full up. This side tractor body, no bend, no crack. Signal working properly. Door open, close working. Jockey box open, close working. Tractor inspection valid. Mirror tight and secure. Foot strap tight and secure. My both high beam lights working properly. My right signal working. My left marker light working. No leakage under the vehicle. बंद कर